we are all ready. The tech team. My Prince Charming from China. And her sister. Hi. My wicked mother. Hello, wicked stepmother. Higulbaan ko guys. Marag ako di ang nagsulti guys.
Wala sa kataon pa nagyan mo masalit siya. Mayang gabi! Kami ni James, murang may anikap, marami sa tawagan ng kapituko, higa sa kaligi. Sa 5 years na ako sa Globe, nakakita sa akong tapat, magkatabi kami ng nabubuan ni James hanggang ngayon. Hanggang dito sa program na ito. But mayang gabi sa tanan, esteemed media partners. Welcome to our magical experience, or magical Christmas party. No? This is my second magical experience of
Building on our unwavering commitment to empower Filipinos and enable a connected nation, Globe is excited to share the innovations and developments you can look forward to in the coming year. As 2024 draws to a close, we are on track to finish the year strong. We remain committed to delivering solid performance across our business lines, leveraging innovative strategies and customer-first solutions to overcome challenges and sustain growth. This momentum will serve as a strong foundation for the ambitious plans we have set for 2025.
Happy New Year. Once again, napakasaya ng ating Christmas party. Meron lang yata tayong kasabay, no? Kaya may kulang tayo. But, ilang taon na natin ginagawa to? 11?
11 years.
11 years na kayo ang nagpa-perform para sa ating lahat. Hindi tayo nauubusan talaga ng talent dito sa Davao. So sana huwag kayong magsasawa. Okay? Tapos, as usual, meron tayong the usual gift natin dito. Sabi natin sa PR Works, mukhang dati kasi di ba ang mga gifts natin malalaki, kompleto dito. Yung buong stage natin dito, no? Napapaligilan tayo ng gifts. Sa tingin ko, kulang tayo na inflation. But we will do better next year. Promise. Yay! Pero hindi kayo uuwi nang wala kayong bit-bit. So, kahit pa paano, meron pa din. Alright? Pero alam ko, meron kayong hinihingi, di ba? So, anong oras na ba? What time is it?
Mama, 8:15.
Maaga pa.
Maaga pa. So anyway, kung napakinggan niyo po yung ating message galing sa ating bagong-bagong minted na Chief Commercial Officer, ang sabi niya, there are a few items na bibigyang pansin or more investments coming from Globe. So he mentioned AI, he mentioned cybersecurity, no? Sabi ko kanina doon sa mga editors natin, baka dapat magpa-contest tayo. The only person na hindi mabibiktima ng scam ng 2025. No, yun ang mananalo. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Tapos, cybersecurity, AI, we're also talking about a resilient network app.
Yeah.
Ayan. Kasi one-stop shop na, nandoon na. Kailangan nyo ng tulong, nandoon na rin siya. Gusto nyo ng pang-mobile, nandun siya. Pang-broadband, nandun din siya. Alright? So, alam niyo ba na 15 million na ang merong nag-download ng Globe One app? Samantalang nung nag-umpisa tayo just a few years ago, had 500,000, masaya na kami, di ba? Now we are 15 million strong using Globe One app. At kung nakita nyo yung ating video kanina, 8 out of 10 Filipinos are using GCash. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are all Filipinos here. Welcome to the world of digitalization. Ito na po talaga tayo. We are already at the cusp. So, konting push na lang, no? Konting-konti na lang. Tayo po ay makaka-experience na ng the wonders and the joys and the very much convenience and ease of use of digitalization. So, tulungan niyo po kami. Kami po ay sama-sama tayo. Let us all advocate for it, no? Isa yan sa pinaka-importanting gagawin natin sa 2025. Lalong-lalo na in the area of education. Can you imagine the power of the internet pag nahawakan na ng bata, no? So, we want to reverse yung napakababang PISA scores ng ating mga kabataan, no? And we want to be able to use our internet for STEM education, no?